Hi everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video about late model Type 1 Volkswagen transmission mount in the front. I have three here. This is the one that came out of my bug. This is one I bought from CIP1. I think they're called California Imports out of Canada. You might notice that the studs are a little bit different than the original. See how the threads go all the way up, and with this one they stop. Also, I'd like to point out that the original has slightly longer studs than the aftermarket. You can see if I put them together like that, they're about, I don't know, a whole quarter of an inch shorter. So when I installed this one, I put it into the housing like so, and I didn't realize that the studs were shorter, so I put it down in there, put the bolts on, thinking that I would pull it down in and it would seat itself, but it turned out it was seated and I just stripped the stud. So I had to go and buy a new one. There's a stud that I stripped. I went to Wolfsburg West and I found this one here, and you can see the studs more closely resemble the originals where the threads don't go all the way down. That's kind of irrelevant, but I'm just pointing out that it is closer to the original part, and you can see that the studs are the same length. If I put these together like that, you see they touch. So this part, if you're gonna do this job, don't buy this one. Just go to Wolfsburg West. They cost a little bit more money, but they say they're advertised on their website as having the correct length studs, and I think they make them, or they have somebody make them for Wolfsburg West, because this has been a problem in the past. So this is the one you want. I think it was about 27 bucks. It was, I think, more than twice as expensive as the one I got from California Imports, but you get what you pay for. All right, thanks a lot.